In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark messages as unread on WhatsApp web. Whether you're at work or just busy managing your chats, sometimes you read a message and realize you'll need to revisit it later. Marking messages as unread is a simple and helpful feature that ensures you don't forget to address important conversations. Let's walk through the steps to make this process smooth and straightforward. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open WhatsApp web on your computer. If you haven't linked your mobile device to WhatsApp web yet, simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Browse through your chats to find the message you want to mark as unread. After identifying the message, move your mouse pointer over to it. It's important to note that you need to click on the chat to open the specific thread where the message is located. Sometimes with numerous chats ongoing, it might take a moment to find the exact conversation, so take your time ensuring you're selecting the right one. Once you have the conversation open before you, look for the specific message you intend to mark as unread. Once you've navigated to the correct message, hover your mouse cursor over it. You'll notice several options popping up which assist in interacting with the message. Here, you'll want to right-click on the message. Right-clicking provides you with a context menu that displays various interaction options for that message. Among these options, look for and click on Mark as Unread. You'll find this option toward the bottom of the menu. Once selected, the chat will be highlighted as unread in your chat list. A crucial tip to remember is that marking a message as unread doesn't mean it will be marked as unread for the sender. It's specifically a visual reminder for you. This helps keep track of messages that require your attention, especially if you're someone who prefers to manage tasks or responses systematically. Have a look at the chat list now. The conversation you marked will have a green dot next to it, indicating there are unread messages. This visual reminder will help you prioritize responding to or managing that chat later when you have the time. That's it. Now you know how to mark messages as unread on WhatsApp web quickly and easily. This tool not only helps in keeping your workflow organized, but also ensures no important messages fall through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using WhatsApp and other digital tools.